place where various kind of books can be found. So that is basically synonym for a library. Okay. Now this is something that IELTS does a lot. They give you 10 headings and there are only 9 paragraphs. So one is extra. Okay. So you have to, hello guys, welcome. And today we will talk about list of headings. Now list of headings is a complex topic where students often struggle how to complete the list of headings. They do not understand and they often make mistakes. List of headings is all about understanding the main idea of the passage. Okay, the main idea what the paragraph is saying. So if let's say you have a passage and the main heading is there, right? So that's the heading of the passage. Okay. For example, if a passage is talking about a boat, so the heading would be boat. Okay. Similarly, in a paragraph, it will talk, the heading will be about what the paragraph entails to. So let's say you are building a house, right? There are different rooms. So you have your boardroom, you have your drawing room, you have your sleeping room. Okay. Now in in the sleeping room you have different contents. You have your bed, your TV, your table, chair, etc. But what it is at the end, it's your sleeping room. That's the heading. The rest are the contents within the room itself. So in the passage is your house, the paragraph is your room, and the name of the room that is given is your sleeping room. Okay, did you get it? Now let's talk about some of the tips that I have to finish list of headings or to complete the list of headings in a manner that you can get good scores. Firstly, read the first and second sentence of the paragraph. Read the first and second sentence of the paragraph. Because in the first and second sentence, you will get the gist, the main idea of the paragraph. What is it entailing to? Okay? If you do not, let's say you do not understand what the main idea is or you can't grasp it, then try to skim the paragraph. Okay? Don't try to understand each and every word of what the paragraph is saying. Secondly, understand paraphrases and synonyms. Understand synonyms. The heading might have different synonym than the paragraph. Okay. So let's say we are talking about libraries. Okay. The heading has the word library. And in the paragraph, you have a place where books are stored, a place where various kind of books can be found. So that is basically synonym for a library. Okay. So understand the synonyms and paraphrasing. Paraphrasing, as I have already explained before, paraphrasing is just explaining in your language. Okay. Paraphrasing is just explaining in your language. So let's say in the passage let's say there is a line which says sports are important. So how can I paraphrase it? Sports are essential. Okay, that's how we paraphrase it. Look out for dates and numbers. Now this is a bit uncommon, but you can have dates and numbers as well. So let's say in the heading you have 1869. You know the year 1869, and in the passage you also have the year 1869. You can merge, you can basically look at the keyword and try to find if the main idea of the heading and the paragraph is matching or not along with the date, and that's where you can get your heading. Again, on the fourth point, skim the passage. If this strategy is not working. If the first point is not working, skim the passage and try to find your heading. Fifth, eliminate any unrelated headings. Now, this is something that IELTS does a lot. They give you 10 headings and there are only 9 paragraphs. So, one is extra, okay? So, you have to basically eliminate the unrelated heading. So, let's say we are talking, if, let's say the passage is talking about wildlife and suddenly you have a heading which talks about sports. Okay, that's unrelated. Wildlife and sports are not related. Okay, so eliminate the unrelated headings. Sixth, practice. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more you will understand and complete your headings in a timely manner. Okay, so these are my tips. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button